Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel for the final part of moving episode. Lately I know I've been giving you silent, chill, noisy vlogs, but now I have to give you the details what happened on this one. Yeah, so we begin from the last part of the previous vlog, that is Kisumu. So we made a night stop. It was too late, saa 4 za usiku, so we booked a guest house, had our night there, and now these clips are now in the morning when I have to come now to Homabay, and manze nimelose hiyo content yote, the road trip from Kisumu now to Homabay, pitia hiyo Katito, Sodium Meru, Mirui ama zinaitwa, and Kendu Bay, all that. Yeah, so as you can see right here, we are on our way to the Bay County, and we lost the original copies of the content, so we only have these mini Snapchat clips. Yeah, just bear with me. Yeah, I'm grateful for the safe travel, beautiful experience, and the good strangers and people I met on the way. And yeah, the only part you're missing is the roadside view of the lake. Yeah, I had captured that so nicely, but we can't complain. Yeah, so now here is Homabay. Tumekaribishwa na Fulu and Omena. Yeah, now come with me to the estates in Homabay as we house hunt. Yeah, mabati tumeambiwa ndo housing huku, metal houses. Yeah, so we are going to live in yenye tutapata cause we just can't live in block housing na nasikia ziko few na zimejaa, you see. And we can have the block housing in other areas, so we'll rent in the other areas and live over there. So for now we have to start from the Mebati housing. Yeah, so the area update I'm getting from kind strangers who are helping out with the house hunting process are saying that block housing is under construction, but majority of vacancies ziko kwa 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, but I don't need a big house. I needed a bed sitter. We have missed that. This is the county hospital of the Bay County, and they have close offices of the CCC department, which I needed to inquire something from this side, but I think it's because it's on a weekend. We'll be back on a working day. Then here it's KMTC Homabay, where I'm just having some rounds, getting to know the area. House auntie. Oops. Inanuka vibaya. Fui. Yeah, so that is Lake Victoria. Ama itangu hivyo? Si ni Lake Victoria?
Mwalimu yudo gidhi. Watu tamu. Hii ni original kweli.
Yep, wasi nimepata nyumba. So this is my first time I rental house. Yeah, you know I've been living hostel life. Welcome to my new apartment at 24. So I've moved out at 24. Oh my god. I'm super excited. I can't wait to decorate. Name all that. My minimal and show you my minimalist room tour. Oh my god. Yeah, so this is the surrounding looking all amazing with nice security, water, yeah, and neighbors. Now let's go get the luggage to this side. We arrange and fit them in the room, so it'll be helping out with the moving because they're not simingi, so we don't need a mover. We don't have much. We can use a mkokoteni or a bike. Yeah, and this is the gate to my place. Now you all welcome. Lakini mkikuja itakuwa Airbnb. Yup. Jokes, jokes. Anyway, so I'm not conversant yet with the language of this zone, so I don't know the estate I'm in, but tutajua with time. Hadi hapo we can make the silent vlogs, aesthetic vlogs. Anyway, let's get to clean, arrange, and yup, blah blah blah. starting to shine. Then we're gonna toa vumbi over these edges. Yeah, then once done. Yeah, so now my items have started arriving, so we have to put on the curtains, then we're gonna panga everything else. So let's get started. Yes, so welcome. So right now I'm setting the house, yes, and yeah, installing everything. A lot has been thrifted from Congo, yeah. For instance, this Shira, ama zinaitangwa. Yeah, then there we have my pick mount. Oh my goodness, you are beautiful. Just the way you are. Yeah, I'm sorry, everything is on the floor and I have to get some pieces from this bag. Nitengeneze cushion ama zinaitangwa pillow. Pillow tu ya kushikilia ukiwatch ama just for yani ya kukua tu stubborn. Cause for my pillows a bed, I'm going to have these pieces. This is a white one with pineapple. Then I also have this, yeah, this is a pillowcase. Yeah, so I'm going to have my aprons zenye hizi ni show you kama like this, naenda kuzieka kwa hii sasa ikue kinda pillow hivyo, cause sitakuwa nazitumia sana ama before I get a place to hang them with the hangers. Yeah, kiss the cook. Are you ready for recipes, mamas and wababes? My gang, nimewaita wababa, poleni. And I have Sophia, or huyu ni nani, and I'm going to have this on the door. Yeah, so this is my door curtain ya kuwakaribisha. Then this is my bed sheet with raw heat over there. Hizo zingine tu ni magunia gunia. Yeah, for the curtains I'm using this Uzi. Yeah, let's fix the door. Yup. Yeah, so this one I've added it lightly so that it can move from outside and inside. And yeah, hivyo. Yeah, so these are my shoes. Then clothing. I'm trying to remove everything. Then my utensils. Yeah, let me just align everything to its place. Yeah, so when you enter, I will have my kitchen over there, then my bedroom over here in the sitting area, then my outfits wardrobe over here, then my shoe rack over here. Yeah, then I think that's enough. The rest. Yeah, so hizi ni za kufua, so I want to wash and wash the net juu huku kuna mosquito. Lakeside is all about mosquitoes, but tumejipanga.